Okay, the drive is going here. We're going to check. So slot 2 and 2. AMN 2 first 2. So it's this one and this one. Going to install there now. You get the first one. So the small size is gonna go like that. Like that. Let me that's it. The first one is in there. Just the other one. It's going there. That's it. Got those two. Now, I'm gonna take this screw. We're gonna mount the graphic card, but first we're gonna put the SD. We're gonna take this screw out. We're gonna put this SD card TN 470 2 terabyte. It's gonna go in this one. Always has to be close to the CPU to get faster. And then the graphic card, and we have another slot for another one there. SSD. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.